Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Two-Ton. This is Lil Jackson. And today's recipe is crispy chicken crack noodle. The other day, I read an article on Facebook. In China, people serving opium in their restaurant to get people addicted to their food. So it made me think of my cousin's recipe. This crack noodle is very addicting and very delicious. So I'm gonna do it and show you the recipe, but I'm gonna put on top of it a crispy chicken skin. You will love the recipe. So let's get to cooking. Let's go. Swish, 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 swish. Let's go.
Alright guys, first of all you want to cook the noodles. In a medium pot, add water enough just to cover up the noodles. Bring it to a boiling hot water, and then add the noodles. With this noodle you can buy it at any Asian grocery store in the freezer aisle. When boiling noodle, I like to add cooking oil to it. It gives it a little slickness and keeps the noodle separated. After boiling for 2-3 minutes, drain the hot water and then rinse it with cold water. Here I have 7 chicken thigh. Here we want to use only the chicken skin, so remove the chicken skin from the chicken thigh, and then you could use the chicken thigh for some other recipe. In a large non-sticking frying pan, add the chicken skin. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes each side. Flip it constantly and wait till it gets crispy. Here I'm adding lemon and pepper to give a little flavor, but you can add salt and pepper or garlic, whatever you desire. When the chicken skin is nice and crispy, remove it and place it on a napkin. Then drain the chicken fat onto a small bowl. We will use this chicken fat when we stir fry the crack noodle. Next step, you want to fry up the garlic. Here we have 1 1/8 cup of garlic. In my recipes, you can never have enough garlic. You want these garlic to be nice golden brown and then remove it from the heat. And then you want to fry up some shallot. Here I have a 1/4 cup of chopped shallot. You want to fry these up until they get golden brown, nice and crispy, and then remove it from the heat. Now it's time to stir fry the crack noodle. 2 tablespoons of the chicken fat, 1 large serving of the fat noodle going in. Stir it, get it nice coated, that fat all the way around. Now add in some shallot and then add in some garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, or as much as you like. Here I have 1/2 teaspoon of dark soy sauce for coloring, and then add 1/2 tablespoon of the chili bean paste for more seasoning. And then 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of rice vinegar. Then stir it up, get the sauce coated evenly onto the noodle. Then I like to give it a little kick with some white pepper. And it's ready to serve.
So what's up guys? Here we go. The final product. Crispy chicken crack noodle. Look at that. Deliciousness. Check out the crispy chicken. With this crispy chicken skin, you can cut it up in pieces, but I like to take a bite of it. That crack, crispy, so delicious. First bite of the noodle right here. That is addictive. So good. Fat noodle, oat noodle. You have to try it out. This here is addicting. Crack addicting. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like it, smash the like button, consider subscribing, and ring that bell for notification, alright? I'm out. Thank you for watching. Later!